Hello everyone, how are you? Yes, today we have seen another opportunity on the pair of Usdcad. After this break of 4 hours over here, like you see, this was low, this was high, this was low, this was high, this was low, this was high. Then the price came and broke below, hence making this one as our 4 hour breakout structure over here. That being said, let's go and see how higher time frame tells us. Higher time frame tells us that this is a very good bullish trade. Why? We have broken the stop over here and we made another high. Hence, we are expecting a certain pullback over here and take a buy trade as a counter trend. Simply, you can see here this was a certain correction and we broke. After breaking this, we are just waiting to take a certain trade so as to proceed with our impulsive move on lower time frame. But it shows exactly that this was correction, and after this a break over here, this one, if you try to look afresh, this one around here, this one was an impulse, and this one is a correction. So this break around here show that the correction is over. Hence, this break tells us that we are going to take a certain impulsive, huge impulse on this pair. That being said, if you come to 4 hour and look afresh, you find that this break on 4 hour, it says that now we are going in a huge move on bullish. Simply that we have broken here, around here. This broke tell us that, hey, take this steady around here due to this 4 hour break of structure. That being said, guys, this was a very beautiful entry to take in, since daily tells you, if you look daily, if you look in daily time frame, it tells you exactly that this is a very beautiful trade. Simply, we have shifted this correction phase, we are going in a huge impulsive phase, huge continuation phase. Okay, and if you try to look, this here was correction, we are expecting high movement around there. Another thing to say, if you say when the price came, did not close below, below here, it closed above. Closing above and breaking this tells us that we are going more high. So what do we just wait? We just for our break. We just wait for our break structure. It happened, and for our break of structure happened around here. After that, we just go in daily in our time frame, like you see here. If you try to look afresh, that 1 hour time frame is just the same as 1 hour break of structure is just the same as 4 hour break of structure, and you can like just hear that this is 4 hour, this is 4 hour, this is 4 hour break of structure, ND, okay, ND H1 BOS, okay, and H1 what? And H1 BOS. So for this pair, we are more confident that we are going to take a bite. After that, we just go to 15 minutes time frame to find either 15 minutes invalidation point or 15 minutes new invalidation point or 15 minutes hidden invalidation point. Just take this horizontal line and draw here below this point and find that 15 minutes invalidation point. And if you look afresh, 15 minutes, it is just near, because this was high, this was low, this was high, and there was a break around here. And if you try to measure this break, it's more than a pip. Sorry, it is less than a pip, so we neglect it. Hence, you find ourselves at our point. It is this one here. It is this one. This is our invalidation point on 15 minutes. That being said, this one become our 15 minutes invalidation point. This one here. But if you try to look afresh, when the price broke around here, when it came back, it did not test this one, it went below, and it's making this one as our 50 minutes hidden invalidation point. Let me name it afresh, like this one become our 50 minutes hidden what? Hidden invalidation point. Why not this point? Because this point, this break, it is less than what? It is less than 1 minute. That being said, we just go in 3 minutes, find the point there, the point, so as to take your trade. If you go in 3 minutes, just do the same thing and look for 3 minutes invalidation point, or 3 minutes invalidation point, or 3 minutes hidden invalidation point below 50 minutes invalidation point. If you come here, you find that this is below, this was high, low, and here this one become our highest point below 50 minutes. That being said, this one becomes our invalidation point here. But point comes in that when the price blocked here, it did not come back, it just ended here. This makes this point to be our 3 minutes new invalidation point. 3 minutes new what? New invalidation point. Let me make it to be well seen. 3 minutes new invalidation point. Now let's go in for hour and see how it happened. Did it obey or not? Our aim was just to risk only 20 pips from here. Only 20 pips. And here almost 20 pips. Let's make it 25. Okay. Now, like you see, the price came, did the same thing. You see here, did exactly the same thing by just triggering our point, only by just leaving only almost like 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips, of course, 10 pips, but our point was just only just risk 20 pips. And now that's how we could have taken that trade of Usdcad. As you see, the trade went past almost like 100 pips, and all just you see is just a small pullback. This because the price are not moving on direction, so it's just making series of highs and low, and you expect another highs to go up and there. Hey guys, thank you. Hope we meet next time. Thank you for your time. Any question, just ask us and we see how we can help. Thank you. See you again.